I can't quite open this in YouTube Music. Let's lurk. Come on, just let me. Why? Why? Yeah, I didn't quite solve problems with lighting. My background is still pretty good. Oh, come on. Solar F42F. Can you please record? Okay, let's start from the beginning, except let's not sneaky snitch. That's not something I would expect in the stream. That's also not really... not sure. How do I set it to repeat? So this is very loud. Should be better. It has started. How do I repeat this? Loop. Autoplay is off. This song is just weird. Yeah, let's get started. Why don't people... Why don't... What don't watermelons... Why what? What don't watermelons get married? Because they can't... okay, I don't know. I don't understand this. Wait, was this song? Right now. This one. Cypher. Was played on... in like one of... well, not one of... probably every single video from... what was the dude's name? Why can't I how can I forget? Sesbling, obviously. Also, I need to go into dot files, not there. I need to go into helix, not emacs. Let's go into cogs. And let's helix the game of life. Oh wait, let's leech first. Helix game of life and new page. Okay, let's see what we have left of. It creates a separate buffer. Okay, let's try. Let's go to GitHub. Who's this dude? Helix. It's not quite helix. Helix. Here. Helix config. So I need labeled buffers. Cogs. This is a good library, but nope. I'm gonna that's down. Yay. Find title. Probably like that. Game of life. I'm gonna do labeled buffers. Find game of life. Now once this command is executed, what are stars in scheme? Scheme stars. Around an identifier. Scheme like that. GNU scheme. Okay, guess we'll never know. Hash, etc. Merk last focused. What's let asterisk? Okay, so if we want to play game of life, open labeled buffer. Last focus, define. Oh my god. Scheming whistle. Scheming. First. It doesn't feel like scheming, but. Those songs, specifically this one, and Fluffing a Duck. In my memory, they're not really, not really nice. Because I watched shorts with them in background, and I don't quite like shorts. Nigel, do you know what asterisks mean? Because I don't. Welcome back. Fetch doc ID. Intersect focus. Where am I creating stuff? How do I create a buffer? Make new labeled buffer. Oh, here it is. How would I not notice this function? Helix vsplit new. So they say vsplit. I can say vsplit new. Just new. So we do helix new first. Let's do helix new. Then let's create buffer name. Oh, this is a function. Impractical NPC line. You now know who this is. By the way, how are we at first bash stack? I guess we're really bad. We're doing really bad. Because rings is going up. We're not going up. Come on. We're 3 more points and we're just 100 away. We need to be more active. Nigel's nice. Nigel got like 176. I mean, like, why do you have 176? Shouldn't it be like... I thought you claimed all times first except one time you claimed second, or was it third? Because if you claimed second, this should be 178, for example. It should end with either a 3 or an 8. I guess you claimed third then. Actually, I mean, in my streams, I don't think there's anyone else who could do that. Okay, let's label a buffer. Set scratch buffer name. Where do I get those functions from? String append label? Nope. I'm gonna do title. No. I probably want to require those two. A few. Really? I wish there was a board that shows all of this. Like any stats or something. Key maps, nope. Commands and static. There's also MISC. Okay, so we do scratch buffer name. Comment all of that out and put a. Oops. I hate when this happens. Don't quite know how. Game of life. If I have something in here. Game of life creates a new scratch buffer. Doesn't even set its name, huh? Why? Maybe I should do parentheses, well, brackets around it. Language type, nope. Temporary buffer map. Get current doc ID. Define doc ID or doc dash ID, I guess. Yep. Kebab case, yay. Doc ID to be undefined or unspecified. What? Uninitialized with a thing. I guess that's not. I guess that's not. I guess that's not a keyword. Game of life, helix new. Okay. It's just. How does it work? Like in the num variant, a random identifier. Basically a string. Buffer name. Okay, let's get its doc ID, get current doc ID and set. So set is a macro. How does this work? Set doc ID to get current doc ID. Now let's now do this. Why are those indented? Just fix indentation real quick. Get current. Okay, where does the get current doc ID come from? I'm just gonna copy this line. Well, let asterisk focus editor focus in editor. Can I just move this and put it here? Just shift R and don't have to let it. What's let asterisk? What does let asterisk do? The game of life test. Okay, it just puts a cursor on the top. Now we need to somehow what do we pick as a starting position? Define starting position. Come on, what is this? Monkey spinning monkeys. I actually listened to a few of them beforehand. Okay, so starting position, let's make it a function. This syntax actually, I kind of like it more than Haskell, to be honest. So let's do width, height. How do we return from a function? Like actually, how do we return from a function here? I guess just tail expression. Look ID, use size equal. Yeah, I guess it just returns the last expression. Okay, now how do we repeat a string multiple times? This is steal from this guy. Hold on, the steel book. There's a book. I saw a book. I saw that there's a book. The steel book. GitHub pages. Nice. Evaluation. Literals, function calls, symbols, key features. Okay. That's a nice list of features. That's actually a blank page? No way. Wow. That's a nice list of features. Online playground. There is an online playground, that's crazy. Okay, this is also wallpaper. All of those are familiar. Start with a glider in the left corner. Okay, first of all I need to... Wow, what is this? Need to deselect. And I mean, like, that's not much interesting if we won't be able to edit it. So this is scheme. These are beautiful scheme. Row AST language reference. Keywords. Nice list of keywords. Syntax. Yeah, also nothing. I feel like it's just... No way, it's just empty. I feel like it wasn't loaded. It didn't load properly. But no, it seems to be like actually empty. Okay, define syntax or syntax rules. Yeah, define syntax, syntax rules. Oh my god, what is this? Letters. Contracts. What do you mean contracts? In trade contracts? Contracts. Implement asterisk. Higher order contracts to enable design by contract meeting with defined contract macro. Racket makes use of a concept known as blame, which seeks to identify the violating party. Still does not quite have fully fleshed out blame, but progress. Okay, what's a contract? Just like a function. Whatever this is. Test xy. Sum of x, y, and 1. 5. What is this? Test violation. Oh. Even, odd. Oh, so that's a contract. it's gonna run timer or compile time. I mean, is there a compile time? Honestly, so this has to be even and even, or is it? Why is there a third one? A return type? Even odd. Okay, let me copy that. Still background. Put this in. Function call host an error. It occurred that the way condition with contrast even. Phone is application of a flat contract for even. Okay, if we take two even numbers and remove the one here, it's gonna return an even number. And function. Okay, but it was supposed to return odd. Okay, I get it. we were not supposed to be doing this. Generate closure. Wow. Okay, that's way above my head. Mapping, lambda, filtering, whatever. Taking 15 iterators. Compose. Okay, I guess I need to read this, because this is probably what I'm gonna do right now. Modules, functions, built-ins. Yeah, I need built-ins. File system. Bytecode optimizations. Function logging. What's logging? Log bang. Level arg list. Log info. Dot args. What is this? Pixel picker polka. Anyway. Okay, so transducers. Transducers and iterators. Mapping of lambda of x plus 1. So this is an iterator. Can I define iter 1 this? Now I should be able to apply iter 1. Filtering taking 15. So those are just iterators. But I mean, how do I apply them? Should be able to chain them. Compose. This is also an iterator. How do I... Oh, execute. Execute. Okay, so let's try this. List. Wait, there's a list macro? What's the point of a list macro? Okay, let's try execute compose of iter 1, iter 2, iter 3. Execute it on a list. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I'm not gonna put 30 numbers in here. So we're filtering evens, but I need to provide odds. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 12, 13, 17, 8, 19, 23, 25, 7, 29, 31. Okay, so this should take 33. This should end at 32, right? An expected token close parent. What? Huh? I don't quite understand this define. Oh, extra parency. Run. Free identifier. What do you mean free identifier? Executed the thing. No. Accepting lists accepts vectors. Execute iterator list. Okay, let's try to convert this to list. What do you mean? What do you mean free identifier? Output byte code raw AST. Mapping lambda. Execute compose. Expanded AST. Nothing different. Oh. Stream cons. Execute doesn't quite work. Execute takes transducer and the collection can be iterated. Reduce with more bells and whistles and works similarly. Okay, so it's applying plus on an initial value of 0. But where is execute? It's not there. For execute. How can it not exist? LSP is not gonna help me. I guess it doesn't exist. If I run this. Okay, let's execute. Let's try defining it. Expected end of file. What do you mean end of file? Expected. Not enough parentheses. Okay, yeah, not enough parentheses. Execute. What? Why? Okay, if I literally take this code, this line of code, and put it here, is it gonna work? No, it's not. Come on, dude. Your code doesn't work. Where's iterators? It's gonna work for helix. If I put it here. What if I put it here actually? Okay, let's remove that, join this, indent. Really? Okay. Before its definition, where does execute come from? Built-ins execute. There's no. I don't know where it comes from. It just doesn't exist. Am I still alive? Camera is a little laggy. I don't think I can change much. It's just slow today. It's just slow today. Define XF compose mapping filtering taking execute XF range. Okay, there's range. That's nice. Except it doesn't work. Execute doesn't exist. Okay, if we try transducing, let me just comment this out. Transduce. Runtime error unreachable. Nice. This is unreachable. Transduce. Altering. Even. Recursive. Okay, I can't quite check it. It doesn't say anywhere what version this is. I need execute. That's the whole point. This is docs introduction. The steelbook. Okay, I guess we'll never use it. Modules require provide scheme even odd. 10 contract. Okay, contract out. Hash. Okay, so there's core option, core result, core just identity, and they all are empty. Nice. Random IO equality, origins, on sets, time, vectors, ports. Wow, ports. Strings, okay, here. Starts with split white space, trim, int, ends with apples. Oh, wait, string length. Trim, string upper, trim, string list. Okay, string symbol. Hello. Okay, how do I unlist it? Int into string. String append. Actually, I might know how to unlist it. Okay, so let me try. I guess threaders don't work. Range 0 to 100. Run. Huh? Recursive use of an object detected which would lead to unsafe aliasing in Rust. What? Okay, come on, server. The web worker just doesn't work. Huh? 1. Ow. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work at all. Okay, the playground is dead. Run scripts using web worker. Okay. Okay, if I use execute instead. No, still no. Transduce. Unreachable. Okay, but at least without web workers it at least works. Works? No, it's not work time. Why is it work time? Okay, A to Z. It's gonna work. Unexpected token close parent. Okay, I can't use characters. How do you do characters then? Hashes, I think. Might be hashes. Fix still. No! I am not gonna do that. That's like 2 more streams. I have other stuff to do. Where's list? String list, string option list of char. Okay, it's hash backslash. For whatever reason, this is the way you to define a character, I guess. Which is weird. Expected number found, whatever. Wow. Okay, how do I convert? How do I get character? How do I get a string? To string hello world. Okay, this is raw. Dude, this is really raw. I mean, it's pretty cool. Upper, lower, lower. Ends with string to int. Split white space. How do I can join. There's join. Covino live. Yeah, pretty expected. Cosmic Souls live. By the way, it's 5 minutes already. You're too late. You're too late. Okay, string append. Should probably read more closer. You are too late. You are too late. It was 5 minutes ago. Okay, let's try A Z. Easy. Okay, if I do a list here. Oh. Yeah, I didn't notice it at all myself. Can't convert a steel value to steel string. Okay, if I do dot here, no, it should split it. Okay, no, it doesn't. Come on. List string. Let's take a list A, B. Okay, that's much better. Now, if we take, I can't do iterators. That's so annoying. Okay, how do you repeat a list? List ref list examples. Pair steel lists third. What? Third literally returns a third number. Is there first and second? Oh, that's it. Why is there string upper? Dude has copied it wrong. Starts with, that's not lists. What's wrong with it? Define T instant now, display line. Instant empty into string. String over, string in, string symbol. Okay, that's messed up. Car returns the first element. What? What do you mean? Car? What's car? It actually was in the wrong place. Car, third, empty. What is second? What is second? Oh, there's first, which is the same as car, I guess. Least here's second, finally. Oh, that's it. Contract. Okay, that's off. Range, there's a list. Streams. Okay. So I can convert a list to a string. How do I repeat something? Repeat. Okay. Can I repeat a 5 maybe, like whatever. 5. How do I repeat stuff here? Oh wait, there's range, but I mean still, I can't even map a range because iterators. I can't go for each. There's no force. There's no any. There's no proper docs. Syntax. There's no syntax. Modules. Functions. Keyword question mark. Boolean question mark. Oh, is it a keyboard? I mean keyword. Mutable vector. What? Macro for creating a new struct. What? Wow. That's interesting. This means bytecode. Okay, so vectors. Okay, there's a few functions in vectors. Make vector. There's nothing, there's no docs. You need to make a vector, I guess. Okay, how do I can remove all that. Make vector. What does it take? A positive integer, an option, a value to initialize it with. Okay, let's do 10 A's. Okay, that's better. Now I can. What did I use? List to string. List to string of this value, and I'll get a string of 10 A's, right? Huh, oh, it's vector. Can I make list the same way? List. I don't think so. Okay. Vector to string, maybe. How do you convert a vector to a list? Can I? Is there anything for a list? Transducers. Okay, there are actually transducers. Into vector, into string. Extending, enumerating, compose, dropping. Okay, there's compose, there's everything except execute. Which doesn't exist. Into reducer, into string. Still time, still symbols, still strings. Char to integer, char to number, char digit, char down keys, uppercase, white space, whatever this is. Oh wow. And squeeze into string. Make string. Oh, make string length character. Really? Really? Okay. That's still not enough though. I still need make list. Make string 10a. Can I put a string in here? I don't think I can. Yeah, I can't. Okay, I was looking for list. Immutable vector. Okay, list here. List, append, apply, car, cdr, cons, empty, first, last, length, list, list ref, pair, rest, range, reverse, second, list to vector. There's vector to list. Okay, so I can make a vector out of those. Make vector of 10 lines. Let's throw in strings in here, or append string. I think it was new line. What's the append string though? Strings append string append. Okay, now I'm a still professional. String append. I mean, I feel like vector to list of this, and then I can do. Wait, I can't join list of strings. I could transduce them if there were transducers, but there are no transducers. List to. Oh, wait, I can convert a list to a string. I forgot that. Can I convert vector to a string straight up? You know, but I can convert list to a string. That's weird. No identifier vector to. Okay, there's no vector to list, but there's list to vector. This would be weird. Okay, there's no list to vector. Docs are lying to me again. There's no list to vector. There's transduce. Here is transduce. Transduce. There's no transduce. Okay, transduce does exist. It takes at least 2 arguments. A, B, I don't know. Target must be a reducer, found B. What's a reducer? Oh wait, a reducer is a function, I guess. Plus. The last target must be a reducer, found function plus. How do you create a reducer? Okay, let's open transducers. A transduce function exists. Last thing is a reducer. Okay, let's try making this plus 0. Okay, actually nope. Runtime unreachable. Let's make this a list. 1, 2, 3. Runtime unreachable. Type mismatch. Last target will be reducer found a list. Okay, let's try plus. What's a reducer? Reducer. I saw it somewhere. Reducer. Struct. Keyword. Modules. Where's reducer? This with more bells and whistles and works similarly. Okay, if there's transduce, there's probably reduce as well. RET mismatch. Expect 3 arguments, found 2. Okay, initial value. Car expected a list of pair, found 0. Okay, let's move this argument to be last. Oops. Yay! It summed finally! So I can string append, and here I can put a list of strings, which I can't quite put it here, but sure, I can put a vector instead. Okay, this should be okay. It's an array pair found. Whatever this is. Exception type mismatch. Car expected a list or a pair. Found a vector. Instead of make vector, I need to make list. Instead. So there's list vector. There's transduce. There's reduce as well. $42 quote. What's that? Okay, there's no make list, which is sad. Pair, what? Arrest. Reverse, second, etc. Third. List to strings. There's a vector. So like reduce expected the vector as well. Transducers. Okay, there are transducers. This doc is terrible, to be honest. Vectors. Mutable vector to a list. Okay, that makes sense. Mutable vector list. Still value 0 to still string. Where do you see string? Oh wait. Of course. Okay, now finally, wow, look at this, it works, I think, I hope. If it doesn't, I don't know. I mean, this was supposed to be a new line. Display. Let's display this. Yes! We've got a matrix of A's. Okay, let's make some functions to do it properly. Make list, which takes size elements. We're gonna do this. Make vector size elements. Okay, let's make list here instead now. I'm gonna remove one parenthesis. Okay, this all makes sense. Now I can reduce it and display it. Okay, nice. Now, how do I replace a character in it? Let's do space here. It looks weird. Okay, actually I should probably do a new line here at least. So it's print is not a problem. Okay, so strings, back to strings. How can I replace a character in it? String into byte, string into int, into list, into symbol. By the way, I could just list to string instead of applying stuff. String into vector. This, whatever this is. String append, okay. String ci, wow. Compare lexicographically. String contains, string length. How do you replace a thing in the string? Oh, here, string replace. That's not quite what I was going for though. I need like set. I think we can do it with substrings. Yes, there's substring. Where's substring? Substring. Okay, here's start end. So by the way, can I just do list to a string? I think I can just do list to a string. Oh no, I can't. Okay, sure. Now let's do define display lines string. The fact that you can have this in an identifier kind of throws me off, to be honest. Let's just reduce this. With an starting with an empty string. Have a slurp. Okay, so list string list as a list here. Reduce. Okay, this is familiar. Black vortex. Wow. String append. Okay, an empty string. Or actually a new line. 2 lines to string of this list. Okay, nice. Oops. Define starting position to be this. Now I'm gonna take the starting. Oh, what's happening with the music? Starting position here. Okay, that's pretty good. Examples here. No. Wait, lines to string. I should also. How do I map all of them? I need to like, well actually yeah, I need to lamp, actually there are iterators, but I'm not gonna worry about them. Line. String append. Line and new line. Add accumulator line. Accumulator line. And the new line. Users. How do you define a lambda? Okay, arguments are in parentheses. And actually, in this editor, okay, this is nice editor. Okay, yeah, I should have done this here. Like this. Here. No, I feel like there's more here. Yeah, there are a few new lines. How does this reduce work? Let's put ace in here. Okay, this works, but then it adds random new lines for some reason. Here's mixed list. This is a starting position. I can try displaying it. Starting position. Okay, so this is just... Wow, that's not how I imagined it to be displayed. Oh, I don't need a new line here, actually. Okay, so I'm gonna make list out of strings. And break is coming. Depend on starting. Oh, a backslash. I think that's why. Can you even see me? Okay, so it is all in a single line, which is weird to me, to be honest. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try transduce instead. So let's do string append, all this, all good old stuff. But let's transduce first, or execute. I mean, we can't execute it really. So let's transduce, pass in an iterator before that, which is mapping lambda. So yeah, let's try this. Trucoder just to transduce. Mapping lambda line. String append line, new line. Unreachable, nice. Transduce just results in unreachable. Wow. Streams. Wow. Okay, let's try execute instead. So we have this lambda that was supposed to be nice, you know. Now instead, or actually let's take the whole mapping. Now instead of passing it to transduce, which should be a nice function, we're gonna execute this lambda on a list. And breaks coming. Or actually this iterator on a list. Okay, execute actually doesn't exist. That's sad. How do you map stuff? Apply. Apply is basically reduce. Oh wait, apply given function as an argument with an argument. What? Okay, hold on. What's this? I could just apply this actually. String append, and then I can just put in this list. I think yes, but I need new lines. How do we put in new lines? So there's apply, append two lists together, CarCTR, const empty first last, length, list of lists, list ref. Okay, actually this is getting a value at a given index, that's cool. Ranges, rest, reverse, second, third, CTR now list to string to vector, list tail, pushback, transduce, try list ref. What's list tail? I guess the last element. What I need is to apply a function to each argument, to each part of the list. I don't know how to do this. Basically this is an iterator. I need to execute it on the list. Okay, there are transducers. Dropping, enumerating, extending, filtering, flat mapping, flattening, to leaving into count, into for each. What's into for each? Into hash map. Into product, into reducer, into string, into sum, into vector, mapping, taking, zipping. Still syntax. Oh. Well. Vectors probably have more functionality than normal lists. Range back, vec append, vector append, vector length, vector push. Vector set is a useful one, but I need more of a map. Which should be possible with execute, but there's no execute. What's this? Wagon wheel, electronic. Okay, so there's actually like no execute. Map filter. Okay, there's map. They say there's map. Or is this just a map? These three arguments. Let's imagine what they can be. Let's do hash and hash. Oh, sorry. Okay, this actually worked. It returned to nothing. Parents. Zipping expects an iterable. Ha. What's a map? Option. Yes, there's an option and there's a result. Constants void. Base. Asterisk. Plus. Minus. Slash. Comparisons. Absolute. Append. Apply. Byte question mark bytes. Bytes into lists. That's done, yay. Bytes into string slash UTF-8. Wow. Bytes append, bytes length, bytes ref, bytes question mark. Byte vector copy. Canonicalize path. CarCDR sailing. Change current directory. Char into iterate. Oh wait, into integer. Oh my god. Deadline passed. This process complex. Complex numbers. Why? Why? What are you doing in here? Current in exact milliseconds. Current milliseconds. What is this? As an inexact number. Current seconds. Delete directory, delete file. Denominator number. What is the... If I say denominator of 1.5, is it gonna give me 1/2? Duration into strings. Empty channel object. Ends with EOF object. I'm just gonna be silent. Finite. Infinite. Yeah. Hash. Okay, I guess this is just a list of all functions. Keys into list. Oh my god. Hash union, hash values. Infinite. Yeah. Plus infinite dot zero. What? Integer to character. Is file. Last. Examples list. Okay, list length. Local time, local acquire. Excuse me, mutexes. You don't have a way to map a list. You're talking about mutexes. Quotient range rational. Real. Reverse round. What is this? Call to adventure. Yeah, I don't understand any of this. Split one, split square, root, square, standard input string. Okay, here comes string. Deserializes a JSON string into a steel value. Wow. String to JSA expression. Process. There's a lot of stuff, but I can't map the vector, the list. I mean, I could if there was execute, but there's no execute. There's no execute function. Interleaving. Okay, how do I search for it? Execute. Well, actually, I should put it. No. You know, execute. Lib still SQLite. Excuse me. Execute commands. I need an execute function. Connection execute. Okay, execute mappers. Docs reference transducers markdown. Transducer STM. Transducing. Okay, what is this? Still examples transducer scheme. Reverse transducing foo. Huh. Where's execute? Okay. Let asterisk transducer car stack. Name function condition. Okay, is this the execute? Is this the code for execute? I'm not the one who was supposed to fix it. Okay, content uncommented. Really? Okay, can do this at least. Okay, what? Where did the parenthesis go? I feel like there should be more parentheses. Okay, execute. If null text and result. Result. Let transducer car stack. Neutral. Okay, I am not doing that. Come on, there's no execute. How can there not be execute? Python, still web server. There's a function called transduce. No function called transducer. Read, panic, execute, code, struct, macro. Okay, there's this. There's transduce into list. Transduced streams into list. How? What? Oh my god. High synchron. Still the scheme dialect that's used in Helix for a plugin system. Well, it's not yet ready. It's a PR. And I'm trying to make Game of Life with it in a Helix buffer. Turns out it's pretty limiting. Okay, so right now we have... Wow, it doesn't even work. What's wrong? It was working. Maybe if we enable WebSockets, it's gonna work. No, WebSockets crash. Okay, let's remove WebSockets. Run. Zipping expects uniterable. Lines into string. Okay. List, it applies. Oh wait, it's a map. Just put a list in here. Okay, now for now we have this. I just need to add new lines properly. So judging by examples, there should be like iterators, but I mean there are iterators, but there's no way to apply them. Well, there should be, but it doesn't quite work. Okay, so transduce of whatever this is. Oh, okay, give me a transduce function. There's transduce. Yeah, transduce takes an iterator, function, initial value, and a list. Here we do an iterator, no, a stream, an iterator, and a function. Great. That's not how it works. Into list. Okay, maybe actually. What happens if I transduce? Use okay, hold on. Let me display, or actually I can just, so I can do list 1, 2, 3. Transduce just crashes. That's a problem. Transduce. So I transduce with taking 2, for example. Transduce this list starting with. Transduce is a fancy reduce, by the way. There should be execute, but it doesn't exist. that the last argument must be a reducer. No. Okay, into list. Let's say into list. Last argument is a reducer. Fine, sure. Runtime error issue. That's what I get for using a transduce. It just doesn't quite work. Cool global. Okay. This documentation is painful. It's terrible. How can I map stuff? Why is there no execute function? Why is doc so bad? Do we write our own execute function that runs through a list? Cars, there's car and CDR. So let's define execute function, or actually let's define it as map function or mapper on a list. Map list with mapper. Welcome back, Nigel. So if, how do we do ifs? If 58 ifs. That's not the if I was expecting for. Expecting just. Still if. Why there's no ifs? Huh? Okay, it's just curve Cox FS. Okay, so there's if it's not a scheme implementation, it's a scheme dialect, and it's not compatible with any scheme. And embeddable and extensible scheme dialect built in Rust. Read the steelbook work in progress. It's so work in progress. It's broken. It contains features that are not implemented in the language itself. So at the moment it is not explicitly compliant with any individual scheme specification. Here, see? Oh, syntax rules. I don't know. It's work in progress. Look. So where is if? Run still list 1 to 3. Okay. So we'll just give map lambda x plus 1x. Hey! Does this exist? Excuse me. Map. Let's try this. Lambda x plus 1x. Except let me do it. Then do a list 1, 2, 3. Does this actually work? What script returned 1, 1, 1? What? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, now it returns 1, 2, 3. What? Oh wait, do I need parentheses here? I don't think I need parentheses here. Oh wait, I do need parentheses here. Plus x1. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's better. Now, map exists. Actually, I didn't know. I mean, I knew it exists, but it didn't work. It didn't quite work. So map list list of 1, 2, 3. Wait, no, that's not what I do. Just in myself now. A lambda that takes line and does append string on this line. Line, new line. Now. Oh, it's string append. It's actually pretty nice. I actually quite like it. Yeah, it works now. I know it. It is pretty advanced, to be honest. It has bytecode. Just like Python. Okay, so now we have a way to display this stuff. Now we need a set function. Set for the string. There is set for byte set, hash set, subset, hash set, set box, set current directory, set strong mode, set test mode, set question mark, vector set. So there's vector set. We can set an item in a vector, and it's not documented. It's not even documented, huh? What's f plus? Floating point plus, I guess. Anyway, there's vector set. That's probably not gonna be really useful here. What happens if I zip two lists? Does this work? Zip doesn't. Excuse me. Transducers. Zip. Zip is. Oh, it's zipping. Zipping. How does this work? Okay, there's no nothing. Into reducer, into ends. And I don't know what any of those mean. Where are the docs? Where are docs? Okay, let's try to figure it out. Let's try stating stuff. Map ends. List or whatever. Index mapper. So I need join stuff. Work 5 minutes. Ports lists. So we need sublist. By the way, let's just read this. Watch this skip to the end, because maybe it just contains something very important. Question mark. Time list, time taken. Okay, now nothing more. Map ends. So I wanted like a sublist. Is there like split at something transduce? There's transduce. Okay, so we have. Oops, okay, I did this again. Wait. Oh, it's so simple. Okay. Now how do we? We actually need a for loop in here. If length, if equal length of, let's do if length of list to 1 Then how does if work? I wanted to look for if. Oh, how does else work? If null void begin. Okay. Seems pretty simple. This is then, this is else, I guess. So then it's gonna be if list is has index of 1. Oh, it has size of 1. If equal index to 0, then I'm gonna have else list if index is equal to 0, then I'm gonna do a mapper of first of list okay, so if index is 0, then I'm gonna map. Okay, actually I need to extract this first. If index is 0, then I'm gonna, okay, let's start with an else. No, let's start with then I'll need to map the first one and then join it back. How did join it? Push front or something. There's no push front. Start now. Third, second, first. Okay, we can reverse, push back, reverse. That's cheating. But let's define push front. Push front. List item. Reverse off. Push back off. Reverse. Well, I mean to reverse list. Push back the item. Okay, that's not optimal, but I don't care. Push front. To a list CDR of a list. CDR of a list. So this shouldn't quite change. So CAR, I'm gonna call mapper on CAR of list, and then I'm gonna push it in the start of CDR list. Okay, good. Now here, no way there's no like join. No, I mean like push front actually. List ref list lens last first. What's cons? Empty cons. A and D. What? What is this? Okay, fine. So here we'll need to go through Okay, so here we need to map. No, we need to. So we need to apply this on. Let's do the same thing basically, but instead, so here we're just gonna leave carve list. Okay. Welcome back. So we're gonna put in the first item to the CDR, but the CDR we're gonna apply this function to. We're gonna apply the mapper, map, and yeah, let's do this. Map on this list, subtract index 1. Okay, and the mapper. Okay, now we need to handle 0. The size of the list 0. Well, actually, let's crash. I don't care. Let's test this. Map ends. A list gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where? Where did I forget to specify lambda? Index 2 or let's do 3, and let's put lambda here of x. Never mind. Add 1 to x. Let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 6. This is number 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, this works. Yes, it works. Nice, awesome. Okay. We could actually add a contract here, just for the sake of understanding language. I hope this thing works. If we search for contracts, actually, you can do this here. Contracts. Define contract, same syntax, but also accept this. Let's put this in. Define slash contract. Doesn't even have syntax highlighting. Yeah, so list question mark, I don't know. This should be list. This should be hijinks. Lambda. Okay, this is scary. The scariest code I ever saw. So lambda index. First should be list. Lambda index length of list. So index should be less than. You mentioned an NVIDIA GPU. Congrats. So we have length of list. I want index to be less than that. Index to be less than this. Can I do a contract here? Turns true. Okay, what if I bring back this example function, this test function? Go back, roll it forward. Using Google Colab. I don't even know what it is. RETS match function expected 2 found 3. Oh, hold on. I forgot to put the list in here. Cannot convert still file. Okay, I can't actually add a contract here. Never mind. Let's bring this back. Check it works. Yep, it works. Okay, fine. Google Colab. Google Colab. This is a free cloud service that lets you run Python code. Well, It's Gemini API. Okay, hold on. Get out. Get out of the thing. Oh, Collab is a free... Oh, come on, stop. Free cloud service that lets you run Python code with zero configuration, access to GPUs and TPUs, and easy sharing. What? Free? What do you mean by free? Nothing in Google is free, especially when they provide you some of their hardware. GitHub. What's this? It's like Jupyter Notebook, or whatever you pronounce it. Interesting. Anyway, I guess Jax could explain it better than me reading it. From math, practical classes in university, and statistics. Okay, we have. Let's get back at it. We have map ends. You can also run C++ there. That's cool. That's nice. Can't really say that C++ is nice. Rust is much nicer, but still. Just sorry for some unintended ASMR or whatever noises you hear right now. I just had to move my phone. It's basically an Ubuntu VM. What? Okay, hold on. No! Ah, I pressed a 5. No! Don't have anything. I have this. Okay. That's sad. We're gonna redefine it, don't worry. Hopefully, no, I don't think so. It doesn't even prevent a 5ing. We're gonna redo it. Map and at least I know how to. Still want to know what Google Colab, how to use Google Colab. No. Variables, secrets, files. They don't offer AMD GPU. Add code. Insert code below. Print system. I don't think. Oh, wait. Import OS. OS system. New. I don't think that's gonna work. I don't remember Python. It would be funny if it would work actually. So exactly Jupyter notebooks. I mean, you at least need to. What is that? 32,512. Something familiar. Is this 2 to the 15th power? No, it's not. How do I do? Does it return output? I don't remember. I don't know. I don't. No, I don't remember. Where's the print? Where did the print go? Why? Is Jupyter notebook just in the cloud? Funny. Hi. Okay. How does OS system work? Oh, be open. Read. Can I set up a ref shell? I want a reverse shell. Okay, it doesn't print anything. Let's try ls. ls, okay, ls slash. I don't think. Oh, wow. Sudo apt install neofetch. Neofetch. Is it gonna work? I don't think it is. Maybe it is. I don't know. I want a ref shell in here. Kinda. Can I get a ref shell? If I can just run arbitrary code, if it's an Ubuntu VM, can I just ref shell into it? Okay, it worked, and it has colors. Wow. Wow. Host Google Compute Engine. Uptime 3 minutes. Wow. Intel Xenon. Where is the GPU? But that's interesting. I did not expect this to work. Really, actually. This is literally a server for free. Well, I mean, it probably is limited. Go runtime. What's go runtime? What go runtime? Where go runtime? Do they have go? Change runtime. How do I change runtime? Notebook in neopage. Okay, they changed it, I guess. This is cool. How do I change a runtime though? Copy to drive. On the top here. Connect to a hosted runtime. What's this? Hold on. Change runtime type. GPU T4 GPU Python R. Nice. I mean, not really. Disconnect and delete runtime. T4 GPU. Okay, I can get a GPU for free. That's interesting. Connect to a custom GC VM. I don't think that's gonna work. Okay, let's try running this now. Oh, it connected. RAM disk. Waiting for current first execution. RAM. Out of... What? What are those values? How, how free is that? I mean, how much can you run on it? Can you just train a neural network? Okay, it got a GPU. Tesla T4, I don't quite know what it is. That's all. 12 gigs. Can you just, like, train a neural network on it for free for, like, 12 hours straight? Is it gonna break? Is it gonna stop it, like, after, like, 20 seconds and say, no, too much? Yes, you can. Excuse me. What's the point of having a server if you have this for free? I mean, I guess it's limited. But that's cool. That's something I might use in university, I don't know. Can I remove all of that and just leave my code? Can you give me a shell, please? A normal shell. Share. Tino. Custom GCVM. Resources disconnected. Can I input here? Input. Run. Hi. Okay, that's interesting. You have to pay for that while true. Simplest ref shell ever. Print OSP open input. I mean, that's not quite a shell. You can't run Vim in it. That's why I needed something more than that. Sudo apt install neofetch-y. Wonder if I can redirect. Neofetch is already installed? What? Hold on. mkdir test. If I create test ls, there is test. Now, if I stop it and restart it, is it gonna still give me the test? It's persistent. Fast fetch. It doesn't exist. I need to input as well. Sudo apt for a new fetch. Let's see. For terminal, it doesn't say terminal. doesn't say that. Sudo apt install. What was it? Oh, I don't remember. What is this? 0x0.st, something familiar. Let me check, I guess. You what? Crazy. Me just learning about Google Colab. Terminal, Jupyter Notebook. Yeah, I knew that. This seems really familiar. Exactly the same, but they removed terminal and changed host. Oh wait, no, host is still here. Oh, okay, terminal. They removed terminal. They just removed terminal. When executor okay, that's interesting. What happens if I do? Oh, I don't remember. I had I think here. Where's the ref shell thingy? Uh, where's the ref shell? Can I remove that? By the way, delete that. Where's the ref shell crafter? I don't remember it. I remember there was a ref shell uh, generator. Didn't I save it? Okay, fine. Ref shell generator. Um, here. Ref shells com. I should save this. I should bookmark this to, I don't know, tools. Another folder, tools. Save. Now, so this is, there's NC, busybox, and cat, curl, pearl. Can I just rent it, like, can I just buy a shell and have it as a VPS? Telnet. So cat, here it is. Can I just install so cat here? I mean, I can already have a ref shell, honestly. Error. Wait, it's a warning. It's not sim link. Okay, I need socket exec.sh. Okay, let's actually put this in here. Random IP, I don't care. Okay, it seems to be working. Let's stop that. Keyword interrupt. I mean, I might actually try getting ref shell in here. I'll actually enable notifications. Theme, dark. No, light. No, adaptive. Book. Okay, let's set this. Editor, I don't care. Well, actually, no. I'm not gonna do that. Club Pro. $9, $10 per month. That's a lot. 100 compute units. Oh, compute units. That's what's limiting. Power level. Power level. No power, some power, many power, use caution. What is that? That's funny. Crab mode, kitty mode, corgi mode. What? What is this? Is this a joke from Google on me? Okay, I might try doing ref shell here. I wanna know how much compute points left or something. Manage sessions, view resources. Have 0 compute units available. Offered free of charge, you're not guaranteed. Resources offered free of charge are not guaranteed. What do you mean? Usage level may last up to 3 hours and 30 minutes. Ooh, that's interesting. What happens if I delete it and restart it? I mean, I don't want to delete it, honestly. Delete cell. No, wait. I mean, delete here. Okay, that's interesting. Disconnect and delete. Yes. Okay, so you can have 3 hours or something. Wait, no, sessions. Create a new section. How do I create a new session? Reconnect. Can I have a new session? Manage sessions. Active sessions. Unknown notebook. Remove that. What about gaming using this? I mean, connecting to it just for the GPU. You're gonna have so much latency. Okay, let's switch to CPU. Python 3, sure. Reconnect. Okay, resources. Can you update, please? I hope it's different now. That view resources. Okay, up to 3 hours and 30 minutes. Currently have zero compute points. Okay, let's add code. Oh wait, import OS, print OS, or actually true. Open input read print the shortest ref shell possible in this case, like, okay, ls sample data. Okay, now I want to see view resources up to 81 hour. Okay, if I'm not using much RAM, up to install new. That's kind of funny. Can I like Python spawn process redirect std in and std out? Well, inherit actually. Wait. Is it cold? I mean, it's pretty cold right now. That's why I'm not in. That's why I'm wearing this hoodie. Sometimes I even put on. I don't remember how to call this. Okay. Import poll. Okay, I wanted to see PTY. Let me just. Is there actually? What's OS Open PTY? You know, what if I try doing this, but like, what does popen return? By the way, if I go back here, if I look for Python here, there should be Python. Python 1, 2, 3. Import this socket connect into get env pty spawn int os get env our port os tab 2 sc for fd pty spawn. What is that? To import pty. What is this? I mean, sure. You can stream wherever you like. This room is not really meant for streaming. I don't quite have a choice. I actually kind of like it here. What happens if I use pty? Pty. Keyboard interrupt. There's no keyboard interrupt. Okay, there's an error here. What's the error? Tell me. I feel like we're getting distracted. um Subprocess. You have RGB lights. I don't have any lights. I mean, except for this light. Actually, it's pretty light right now. It's not bad compared to last stream. Also, camera is lagging. Okay, hey. Now it should be better. Okay, what is this? That's the shell. Communicate. If I bring back P2Y, what happens? If I bring back P open, I feel like we're getting a bit distracted, too distracted. Maybe I'll make something better than than this, but that's cool. What long-running task can we put here? 107 gigs. Let me see. Can I clone post-market repo? Yes. Oh. Can I rinse? Okay, no. I probably can't reinstall Linux on this VM. Can I switch Ubuntu to Arch silently? Post-market OS. I mean, let's just clone something really heavy. No. What's a big GitHub repo? In post-market PM upwards. Is a big repo. It's a GitLab though, but it should be fine. How do I clone this? Where do I get the URL from? How can I clone this? Okay, let's try git cloning this. Git clone. There are even links. It's gonna use a lot of system for that. Is it? Wait, git. Search. Okay, let me just sudo apt install -y git amd 6500xt 6500xt not xyxt Radeon RX graphics card. I mean, find retailers. Canada, US. Okay. Let's just click on the first link, I guess. Okay, that's more than $100. In fact, like 14 times more than that. Actually, 15 times more than that. Well, that's a different card now. 7900. Okay. Hold on. I just wanna know how much it costs here. Onliner, where everything cheap and used. XT. Okay, that's about 300 USD. That's quite a bit. Anyway. Why can't I clone it? Oh, there's a PM ports. Wait, is it done already? Okay, can I spin up a server here and have it running just fine for free? Okay, we'll spend more time on it later. Let me fix the fact that we've deleted everything, sadly. If equal index map ends list index mapper equals index 0 then this, else this, close. It has started. Now, if index is 0, we need to push front. Define push front list item reverse push back reverse list item. Winter days. I actually like winter. I like snow. I like winter. My birthday is winter. New Year is winter. A lot of holidays. A lot of fun stuff. It's just kind of cool. At the same time, like, yeah, I mean, I can work winter nights. I can sit whole nights room. I mean, I can do the same for summer. But on winter, it's like nights start early. So, I mean, it's just like it feels nice. And also, I like when it's warm in winter. I mean, by warm, I mean heating up a house. I don't know how to say it properly. How to explain it properly. Anyway, if index is 0, we're gonna push front to a list. Actually, no, to a CDR of a list. We're gonna push a mapper of CAR of a list. Okay, then here, else, we're gonna push front to a something. Here we're gonna put in CAR of a list. Oops, CAR of a list. So here we're gonna push front. Push front what? A function map ends of CDR of a list index subtract 1. Okay, and then mapper. Okay, we wrote this function, should work. Yeah, it works, nice. Now let's write some more functions. For example, define make list. What is it? List to vector, I think. I did make vector. So this is size item. Make vector of size item. Then actually it's different. Vector mutable vector to list. My birthday. Can you actually find it? Hold on. I wanna check something. Okay, right now it's not publicly available. I might want to make it publicly available. I don't know how to. I mean, okay, fine. I'll just say, it's. I can't even recall my own birthday. Come on, it's 4th of January. That's like, actually, I can't tell. That's... Welcome back, Nigel. Okay, make list. Let's make a list. Of 10 characters of E. Run. Okay. Okay, 10 A's. Now we need. Okay, we need to define. We need to do a few things. 11 months. Okay, we're similar here. So make a list. we need initial state of a board. What do we define it as? Make list of size. Oh, actually, this is a function. Make board 10 10. Well, actually, yeah, yes, I guess I should probably keep this width height. You know, 11 months of summer. Okay, so make list of height and items. Very nice one. So in there. Wow. Make string width hash a, for example. Let's make board of 10 10. Make board. Okay, that's a list of strings. Good. I'm gonna keep it as a right now. Okay, let's define shall. So let's define board to be make board of 10 10. Now let's define render board. Or actually list to lines to string. That's what I'm gonna do. So here I can define lines to string. I'm gonna provide lines. Makes sense. Now here we need to join all the lines. So apply append string or string append two lines. That's lines to string of board. Now we need to map lines with a mapper, which is lambda line append string string append. Yeah, you could do that line. Oops, new line. Okay. Mapping expects a function for. Okay, we need to swap those args. Yes. Okay, good. Now I can display that. Okay, good. Now stream down. Oh no. Oh no. It seems fine. It shows fine. He shadows tomorrow. Stream should be. My stream should be fine. So yeah, we redid everything we just deleted. It should be back. Now let's set on a board. Let's do define define board get. Nope. Well, actually, okay, fine. I'm gonna copy paste it where it belongs. Literally here. Doc ID. Okay, let's. Let me move all of that. So here we have board. Right, seems fine. Now here, What should the theme of the lights? Don't quite understand what you're saying here. Okay, display that. Now board get XY. We're gonna list ref. Actually, board ref. Board Y. And on that we're gonna do string ref X. Board ref board 33, for example, should be A. Okay, good. Hi, Sergeant Pepper. Did I pronounce your name right? Scheme today. Yes, it's actually still scheme dialect, which is used in Helix demo plugin system. Well, demo. So there's a pull request to add plugin system to Helix. Helix is a model editor, pretty much like Vim, and yeah, it's using Steel, which is a scheme dialect written in Rust. That's what we're doing tomorrow. I mean today, tomorrow. Same. Let's now board set board XY value. That's why we wrote map ends. We're gonna do set. Can I actually do this? Foreseeable future? No, we're gonna finish. Oh, okay, we're not gonna finish today. Probably. No. JavaScript is not based on scheme. Scheme is based on. Okay, let's try setting. I don't know if this is gonna work. Can we really set board here? Map ends board. List index y mapper is a lambda line. This was scheme and set. Okay, let's try something here and then make JavaScript. JavaScript is everything, right? Okay, let's try map y with this lambda. Yeah, let me actually indent this properly. Well, there's no proper indentation. Okay, so this is a lambda. That's not how you indent in scheme. Brendan Each, I don't know who this is, said he was inspired by scheme when he designed JavaScript. So really we have scheme to blame for JavaScript? Nope. Back to the lobby. Nope. Ooh, hi Smoothnagger. It's like I didn't expect you to show up. Wait, Force Unleashed is here also. Hi Force Unleashed. That's, yeah, a lot of people. Alacrity. Yeah, there's also, is there Kitty, by the way? I don't think there's Kitty. Kitty. No, there's no Kitty. Okay, we need to fix it. Add force. It disbound. Also, add force I think is going down. Yeah, I think add force is downwards. Like, oh wait, X50. So to the right. It probably disbound. There is it again. Okay, so we have the line. Now we need to set something. We have string. By the way, force -50, -50 to the left and up. Huh? Why it doesn't work? Wait, is it add underscore force? Well, hold on. Let me try to open it. Dev I don't quite remember. Hold on. Add force. Users. Indeed, it's underscore. Yeah, it's underscore. It is underscore actually. I see you want a goal. Here, you need to get a plushie first. You're lucky for Unleashed here. Okay, this plushie is yours for Unleashed. So these are string sets. String set. There is no string set. Of course there isn't. Okay, let's define this then. You want first shot? Yes, you did. So yeah, I was going to say, if I just open my chat here. Yeah, force is maxed at 5. Velocity is 5. So if you look at chat in the bottom left, we have a goal here. You might want to contribute to this goal. Well, it's a community challenge actually. Wow, this looks cool. Yeah, bye Jax. So yeah, you have this community challenge here. Just in case it sounds interesting, I hope it's gonna be completed by those 15 days. It's probably not. It's like a second shot already. So just in case. They're just cooking here. 30 seconds. Let's give some more time. Plushy ball. That's how I should call it. That's actually how I should call it. Let me write this down. And that's not where I write it down. Okay, that's actually cool. I remember, okay, first of all, I led to-do list. So there was a streamer. There probably is a streamer still. Wow. Okay, you can't. So there is a streamer. Oh my God, how can I forget his name? Let me actually open my phones, which are a long list. Yeah, here, this guy. No, Irad streams are crazy. Irad has like 70% of follower to moderator ratio. His streams are crazy. So yeah, I was going to actually shut out. Why not? So this guy also was working on a Twitch game with water bombers. You needed to put out fires. Why it doesn't display for me here? So you needed to put out fires with Twitch commands. It was pretty fun. It is kind of similar to what you do with add force right here, but there, like you set up a water bomber with the command. You say hi, you say the height, you say the time where it drops and stuff. Here, here's your water. Hyperland. So yeah, it was fun. We'll check them out. Okay, so here we need set for the string define string set. Wow. What was that? What happened? Okay, so you did get it in. It's not gonna work. You did get it in, but the thing despawned this moment. I mean, it's still counted. So, okay, string set. String index value. This should be pretty simple. Oh, there's substring. substring start end substring start 0. Okay, string 0. Okay, fine. I can do 2 actually if you want. Okay, no, actually, hold on, I'm gonna do 1. um I really like this menu. It's so nice to have. I can do a random plush, I can cancel game, I can extend it, I can send a message, which spawns this tiny thingy where you can type it, I can close it. I messed it up a little. Okay, string set. So we're gonna substring it. We're gonna remove up to index. I think end is exclusive for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, it's exclusive. Window. What's window maker? Uh, I was inspiring from. Which one gives you your my face? I actually thought to say infinite being my face, but no, infinite is this icon. My face is right here. I actually had a soft face, but and you can't add force to my face. Um, very old window manager. That's interesting. So I was actually inspiring from Blender menu and from Linksider. Linksider, which is QMan's game, uh, had this circular menu to select items. Top result was it actually? Where? Where? Oh wait, here. Window Maker. X11 Window Manager originally designed to provide integration support for the GNU step desktop environment, etc. Yeah, that's something interesting. Didn't know it exists. Ah, so sad I can't move this or click those buttons. That would be cool. Wait, and it has this stuff, which is actually functional. Okay, let's actually get back to this. So we can string he made in 2011. Linksider prequel. Append. Let me get some water. Linksider is never gonna. Is a game that you never finish, that you don't finish. How do you convert char to string? Or actually, you can do make string. Make string 1 value. Push. What the name? I need to. I can actually close that. I need to focus on this. I can't select it, huh? I can actually control click in here. Insistence that documentation must flashbang people. What? Push. Python 2! What? Sokoban. 7 hours. 5 commits. April 8, 2018. Yeah, that's old. That's actually old. He scored 3, nice. Okay, let's make string 1 value, and then let's also add another string, which is gonna be substring string index plus 1. That's how you do plus 1 here, and then you do length of string, I think. Let's try string setting. Comment this out. Comment this out. String set in yeah. It's not holes. There are functions. There is no like function that's not documented. Well, actually there is. There are. But there are functions that don't exist. C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's set third to Z. Should have used uppercase, by the way. Here, to steal list. Oh wait, length. How do I get the length of string? Length. String length makes sense. String length. ABC 3. Okay, yeah, it works nice. Now we just need board set. So on this line, on this specific line, we're gonna do string set line index x value value. Now we're gonna do board set. I'm not sure if it's gonna work because mutability board to a wait z capital. I don't know. Script returned. Okay, set paying doesn't quite work. Let me return it then. Set word. Okay, now it works. This is x3. Wait, x2, y2. Okay, yeah. I mean, it works. Now let's see board ref if it actually returns the right value. No, it doesn't. Okay. This is sad. We set 2 to z. Script return. Why script is returning the original value? Huh. We've set a board. Don't understand. If I put this. Oh wait, 2 hold on, 2 run z. Okay, now it works. Now we actually need to first of all copy all of this. We actually need to somehow write the game of life itself. Also, yeah, let's init it with spaces and set some initial dots. Let me actually do it here. Put space in here and set some initials. Initial board. Let's put 2 semicolons. Access to buffer width and height. Good question. Good question. I don't know actually. Why is Discord pinging me? I've set test streamer mode there. I don't know where to where to search for it. What is this? Yeah, I have no idea how to find out. I mean, maybe. I guess it should probably. Well, how to find out without reading the code. Okay, board set board. What did you say, Nigel? Start with a glider at top left. Glider top left. We're close to finishing this. Game of life. Give me a glider. I don't remember glider. Disable all Discord notifications. Yeah, Discord is kinda annoying. It doesn't even react to don't disturb. Okay, so do we what stage do we take? I mean, we can do this one. 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 2 1 to a hash. And then we're gonna have 3 2. Yes, 3 2. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 3. Okay, and why did I write this? Game of life test. Oh wait, I forgot to actually use the board. We need to render it using lines to string. Lines string board. Yay! Look at it. Okay, now we need to actually animate it, and probably the best way for performance is not setting every single pixel. It's probably gonna be
Okay, let's go.
let's do map. Let's do map with indices. List index mapper. Okay, there's not gonna be an index, so we're just gonna go through each one. Oh wait, there's two space indentation. Percentage s slash. Oh wait, there's no search and replace doesn't work like that. Hold on. Fix indentation this way. Okay, that's kind of funny. Now map with indices. We're just gonna map with indices this part of the list. Yeah, there's actually first. Okay, let's do list start index. I don't care, provided start index +1 actually. Mapper. Okay, and here instead of just car of a list, we're gonna have mapper of index first, start index car of list. Okay, map with indices. Let's test this one. Map with indices. Arrange. Or actually, make list 10. Let's do ace or 10 zeros. Start index 0. Mapper is lambda I v. We're just gonna return I. Expects a non-empty list. Okay, this went empty. If empty list. Okay, let's do if empty list. If the list is empty, then we're gonna just return list. else, okay, let me break this up into multiple lines. Else we're gonna do that. Okay, it works. Now we have map with indices. We can actually map this stuff. I can copy paste this string just this function just for strings, but I am not gonna do it. No, no, I can just convert strings to lists and back instead. Now, can we somehow loop this stuff? Let's just simulate one step first. Set board to step port. Right. Yep. I need a step function. Define step. Of board. It's gonna be the most difficult one. How do we do it? How do we handle a step? I need to go through each point and see its neighbor count. That's the most annoying part of the whole thing. Its neighbor counts. I can actually define. I can make a function here. Define neighbors. XY board XY. So we are gonna map how do we do that? I need actually I can just do board ref. Okay, so let's just do a bunch of ifs. If x is greater than 0, then else 0. If x is greater than 0, then we're gonna do board ref board x minus 1 y. We'll need to check that it's not a space. Please say that not equal is this. I don't even know how to check it. Let's try neighbors. Let's display a board. Display lines to string board. Run. Okay, there's not equals. That's an identifier. That's crazy. Okay, there's no that. Is there double equals? There's no. Okay, hold on. Oh, there's just equals, I think. Okay, this is spaces. Now let's set board to board set board to hash, and then let's try neighbors. Lasting neighbors to I know that's gonna result in 0. Well, it should. Expected to numbers. Okay, where's char equals? Char equals. That's insane. Char. Oh my god! Come on. How they check if it's equal? If it's equal. Oh, equals question mark. Let's do a hash. Okay, fine. I don't care. Hash. False. What script returns is false? Why false? This should return a number. If this, then 1 else 0. 0. Now, if I set this to 3, it should return 1. Okay, let's now hard code a few more of those. Let me make this a sum. Put another parenthesis in here and hard code a few more. Let's do same for y. Yes, one by one. If let's do greater than y here. X this for y. Yeah, let's do top left. How do we have? How do we do logical end? Okay, actually, let's do line by line. If y is less than 0, then if y is less than it is greater than 0, then I can try all of the aboves. Can I define an additional function? A line. Okay, let's try. Okay, actually. Okay, yes, let's define a few more functions. Word count line. Board count cell, board xy. We're just gonna leave this if here. This is an if char is equal, then 1 else 0. Okay, now we're gonna board counts if here in the line, if x is greater than 0, then we're gonna board count cell minus 1 y and provide a board here. Then we're gonna count x, y, and then if x is less than board's width, let's define helper function width. Then we're gonna also do board count x plus 1 greater than board width of board. Then we do this. Okay, seems right. Board count line. Okay, so if y is greater than 0, I'm gonna count line board. Y, x, so x and y minus 1. Then here I'm gonna count the center line and subtract. So I'm gonna subtract here. Subtract one, not one. Board count cell board XY. That's fancy. Board count line board XY. Yep. And then this is gonna be if less than x, actually x plus 1 here. And if less than y plus 1. If it's less than board height. Board. Then I'm gonna board count line. This is the start of the if, this is the end of the conditional. Here, y plus 1. Now we need board width and board height. String length of board. Okay, so let's add some comments. So we have map ends, utilities. I'll need to synchronize this somehow. Board ref. Board width, board height. Oops. Height. Just length of board. Then we have utility functions, map wi, and string set. Let's put this here. So we have here, we have neighbors, state, neighbors, seems right. Then we create a board, set a hash, and board, where is it, 39, board, it's pretty late, more boards. Wait, board. Where's board? Board. Line 40. Click. Okay, neighbors 0 of 32 of 22. Lil BCH. Lil BCHII. Sorry if I couldn't pronounce your name. Thank you for the follow. Q1. Hold on, we're setting 22. If I use 22, what? Okay, that's wrong. That's wrong. 22, it shouldn't count. Shouldn't even count that. Huh. Okay, if I comment this out and comment this out. It is 1, okay, that's right. No. Let me try outputting. Word count cell 0. That's wrong. That's actually wrong. Cell board xy. Oh wait, this should be x. That makes sense. Now 0 1. Now if I set this boards 1 1 as well, this should be 1 1 2, or actually to 1. This should be 2. Now 3 1. Should be 3 2 2, or actually 1 2 4 3 2 5 1 3 6 2 3 7, and this is gonna be 8. Okay, 8, and then I can remove this and still should stay at 8. Okay, seems to work. Let me copy all of that. Wait, I replaced the step. Hold on, let me just replace all of that. Step. So for the step, this last function we need to write, hopefully. Unless we do custom timers or something. Map with indices, board, list start index mapper, 0 lambda y line, do that, map with indices, or actually list to string of map with indices of string to list line. So here I'm gonna pass in 0, pass in lambda x cell. No, that's insane amount of parentheses. That's why I don't like Lisp languages. Only reason. Okay, so now here finally we just need to count it. Is there something like a let in or with or something with steel? Steel. This could actually be useful. Steel. Notebook. I need here. There should be let. Not this let. This is Rust. There should be let in or something. Scopes, bindings and scopes here. I define a let whatever is this, let parenthesis body. Okay, let is just a function basically. A macro actually it is. Let, so we're gonna let what, more parentheses? Oh no. We're gonna let and see set it to value neighbors. Look at this parenthesis count. Neighbors of for board or xy. Let me actually break the rule of Lisp. So this is here. I don't care. Lisp guys, I don't care. Sorry. This should be here. So this is the expression itself. Haskell looks nicer. Well, Haskell has do blocks. I really miss something like do blocks in here. Because this is a lot of stuff. Okay, let's so if we need our ifs here. Wow. Hi Cuban. Yes. Haskell. We need our ifs. Who remembers the rules of Game of Life? Leave dialects that doesn't compile unless we reach at least parentheses depths of 20. Right, exactly. Who remembers rules of Game of Life rules? I don't remember. That's not the Game of Life I was looking for. That's still not the Game of Life I was looking for. Come on. Conway's Game of Life. That's kind of embarrassing. What is? Wow, Wikipedia has a Game of Life embedded. That's cool. Anyway, what are the rules? Still can't be sold. Reading this gift. Do I have VPN enabled? Okay, I don't. Fine. I'm gonna. Can I? I don't want to provide my card on stream. Pointer instead of requirements txt. Yeah, I actually used poetry. I didn't open verbose in a while. Let's try that. Verbose. Yay. So here I had I had Pi project though. So that's Ian's. Ian is someone who was there like half a year ago. So this flake. Ooh, I tried poetry here. I couldn't get it to work. That's why I resisted to. Yeah. I actually, if we look at Pixamo, here I think we actually used flake. Wait, flake. Mix. Yeah, here we've used poetry. No, we've used. Okay, I actually. What? I didn't. I've tried poetry for sure for this one. I thought I used it. Build Python package. Yeah, I didn't. Then that means it was too complex. Anyway, rules. So then fewer than 2 live neighbors dies. 2 or 3 live neighbors. Okay, if the cell is live, if cell is live, if cell char equals question mark. Wow. If cell is equal to that's a character weirdest thing. That's a character literal. If the cell is let's try that. If the cell is alive, else if it has any dead cell with exactly 3 live neighbors becomes a cell. So if equals neighbors to 3, then we're gonna do hash, else we're gonna do cell. So if it was alive, then we're gonna kill it if fewer than 2 or okay, if, or more than 3. How do we do or and? Let's do and. Cell is two. Wait, not cell neighbors. NC. I've called this variable NC. If NC is 2 or actually yeah, it's or NC is 2 or NC is 3, then it's gonna become alive, else it's gonna be then it's gonna be persisted, or else we're just gonna kill it. So logical or step. I think that's it for the step. Now we're gonna have to debug it. It becomes alive if 3. If alive, stay alive if greater than 1 and less than 4. That's basically what we did. That's an identifier before the definition neighbors and see neighbors port. Huh? Nig. This. Wow. Boards. Oops. That's not what I expected. Neighbors. That's neighbors. Neighbors. That's not what I expected. Cannot reference an identifier. Okay, there is no logical or. Or at least it's spelled differently. I guess that's how. Helix. Okay, no. How do I or? What is logical or? Base. Where? No way there's no logical or. Complex. No way there is no logical or. Excuse me. How can a language not have a logical or operator? That's insane. How can this be a candidate for Helix plugin system? Logical or just or for short. AB. Oh wait, there's or. Hold on. Maybe I'm too early. Or. Okay, well, let me scroll this directory. Error floor. Okay, I don't know. Let's test it. Let's actually check it. Where was this or? Somewhere here. Hopefully this is just the or. Edit done. Okay, we're close. Oh wait, didn't I save it? Huh? Bar. What? There's no bar. Huh? Where is it? 56. 56. Oh wait, yeah, makes sense. Wait, yeah, this was supposed to be a minus. Or. Okay, we're about to find out if it works. Nope. And procedure function type not supported. What? What is that? Line 55, 56, 57. 55. If character equals cell and this, and if else if. Then here. Probably no, it's gonna be too late, sorry. Okay, I'll message you tomorrow if I won't forget before the stream. Hopefully. Well, actually, I won't have much time. Probably as well. If equals and C Or, that's weird. That's weird. Function application, not a procedure or function type not supported. Colon, hash backslash space. Cell is just a value, what do you mean? Error bad syntax. I don't know. This is just a character literal. I don't know, I don't understand the error. Let me try copying this step function to the playground. That's, yeah, hash backslash and space is a character literal for hash. Oh, wait, for the space. Sorry. Step. Okay, let's see. This is. Let's take this glider. Ten. Put the glider in. And now display, and let's do step first. Set ping board to step board. Wait, neighbors. I need to fix it here. Neighbors, no. Function application, not a procedure, or function type not support. Okay, if. Let's try replacing this by. Oops. Where's the if? Where does the if end? This is where if ends. Let's try replacing this by just a space. Run. Wait, not a procedure. Okay, kinda now understand the error. But I still don't know how to. Okay, no, I don't know. I don't understand the error. Maybe it's let. Oh wait, I have parentheses in here. Those are extra parentheses. Yes. We're close, guys. We're close to completing it. I said we're gonna finish today. Well, actually, timers. Game of life. That's what state? T3 seems right. Now let's do two applications of the function. Yes, that's. I don't believe this can happen. How too many parentheses? Okay, so this actually seems to work. And I mean, it's fast enough. Okay, this should be what is that? Why is this t equals 1? Why t equals 4? Oh, yeah, it does jump into t equals 1. And then let's test the last one. This should be the last state. Game of life. It works! Yes, now we need to somehow simulate steps. I have no idea how to do this. Like, I don't know. Actually, I no idea. Like, docs for this language are so bad. I would not expect docs for modding to exist, and they don't. File tree updates if files. No, I'm not gonna check it, as I said. I mean, we could look at the code. It's probably not gonna happen. It probably doesn't. If we look at Cox, it's pretty simple. If we look at file tree, so we have create function here. Where is it? Create. Um, Here, create file tree. So this function creates a buffer basically, and it ends with this sequence. Remember the sequence. Update the current file tree value. Now, if we have full directory, for example, each function which is bound to a keybind has this at the end. Update file tree. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See, it's not gonna update externally unless you call, I guess. Wonder what macro is. What bang means. How do I do steps? I could try to bind them to a shortcuts. I mean that's not enough to leave for the next stream, honestly. Let me close all of that. Let me try to find width and height first. Well, actually no. Let's actually do board. Hmm. So I wanted to check. That's what I wanted to do. First of all, can I rename initial? Nope. Okay, fine. Now let's add board initial here. Helix static STM. Move char left, extend, get. I need to get a buffer. Current working directory. Scheme pass. So I need to somehow get selection. Copy selection. Current selection object. Okay, that's something interesting. Current highlighted text. What buffer? Current selection. Okay, current selection. That's probably what I need. Current underscore selection, by the way. Define to step helix static current selection. Then delete selection, sort string, go to line start. That's the routine. Define update. Now I'm gonna undo select all, delete selection, board initial. New state. Let's do new state. Oh, we also need to. So this is just current selection. What we also need to split it. Split white. Okay, split many actually. Split many something space. Whatever. So I can split many this by space. Yeah, I need to supply a string for some reason here. Or actually not space. New line. Actually let me trim it first. Trim. Just trim. Then split. Okay, should work. Let me try to provide update. No, go to helix CM, provide live update. Update, that's a hack. Can't save with no past set. Do I have update here? Oh, actually, I don't. Goal update. I guess I can't override built-in commands. Goal game of life. Goal update. Eh. Okay. So split many by new lines. Step. Okay, hold on. Let me define x to be get current selection. Let me try just pasting the selection. Yeah, that's new line. Selection, copy, select, reject, split selection. Which selections? If this would be actually cool if we used split APIs. Search selection. I need to get selection. Change selection. Collapse, flip, ensure. Trim selections. Yank to clipboard. Join and yank. So what am I using actually right now? Current selection. Parent selection object. With dashes this time. New developer came in and used dashes. Expected string font selection. Okay, let's look for selection. Not election, selection. Let's try current selection. Oh wait, I need a branch. I need to select a branch. Steel event system. Search. Branch. Steel event system. Search syntax. Branch. Okay, I don't know. I think it was helix term. Was it term? Commands. Engine. Still RS here. No. Selection. Get selection. Returns a string. Literal new lines. Printable. Literal new lines. Current ref, text slice, took selection, primary cursor text, refinements. Okay, I guess this should return a string, no? Oh, it grapheme. It is actually grapheme. Charge fault. HC. Okay, let's switch up. Instead of get selection, let's just get current document text. Let's get highlighted text. Oh, get highlighted text is exactly what I need. Highlight. Current highlighted text macro. Helix game of life. Goal update. Okay, didn't change anything, which is good. This is good, this is right. Now I should be able to replace this. Oops. Yeah, no. Just like that. Okay, now I should be able to just delete all of this and it should work. Oh. Generic string ref, index out of bounds 4, length 4. Huh? Length 4? What? That's weird. Word ref. Where am I even using it? Oh, in counting cells. In count, so count cells somehow is outside. Well, outside. How can it be outside when it can't be 4? Oh, actually it can. Okay, where's trim? No, I don't want to trim it. I want to remove last new line. List. Still list. Lists. I need like pop back or something. Range rest. Oh, reverse rest reverse. That's what I can do. Okay, let's state define state to be this. And then let's set state to reverse of state. So let's remove the first one. For this we'll need rest. Okay, now that should be a better way. Game of life, call update. Okay. Function application, not a procedure. Oh, I did too many parentheses here. Funny that it's selected. Life goal update. It works. Look, it works. It runs. What happens if it goes out? Yay! This hype. Yes, it is limited to like 10 by 10 right now, but it runs. Oh my god, I spent so much time on it. Ideally would have also some abilities, but I'm not gonna update it. I'm gonna maybe fix some stuff off stream. I can theoretically. Yeah, I can actually do that, but that would require it. So I wanted to actually. Yeah, when Game of Life is alive. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, so if we want to map it to a key, that's actually not that hard to find out how to do. Mat helix config, because we have obviously an example. We have scheme ident. We have file tree here. So here we have this file tree keybinds. Let me do. Let me put in keybinds as well. Game of life. Now let's put in keybinds. Not as much, definitely. So let's do space identifier colon goal update. Okay, normal, I do this. So this is goal key bindings. Now we'll need to go to init. We'll need to look at how Matt did this. Init SCM. I'm probably streaming for way too long. It's way too late for me to be doing that. Okay, so how do we put in keybinds here? Add global key binding. Oh yeah, I remember this was a problem. I think we imported from keymaps, from Cogs keymaps. I don't want to depend on Cogs, honestly. So what was it? Add global keybind. There's actually oh, here a file tree. Merge keybinds. Yeah, we need set global buffer or extension keyma. What is this function? It's actually key binding map set map. Uh, yeah, sure. L3. themes, standard keybinds. Okay, so I want file tree base here. I want this function, or actually this macro init hash. I did this again. Keybind. So I need file tree is what is it called? Game dash of dash life, I think. Game of life. So we need to map this to something. We need to map this to file tree key bindings. Not use okay, we just need to require key bindings link. Theoretically I should be able to just use them. Okay, nope. Wait, paste like that. Helix. Call key bindings. We're only in now. It should theoretically work. Why it doesn't though? Hi Sergeant. Welcome back. We got game of life work. What will happen if we have Linux installed on the machine and user installed Windows? Then Windows will ever up in MBR. Helix plushies, spam them. So Jax, Windows will well, Windows doesn't have to override it to create MBR. It's just gonna boot into its own boot. We can actually have grub having an option for Windows and for Linux. Oh my god. Okay, so why isn't this working? I just wanna go wherever. I just wanna end this. How many parentheses do I need? Why it doesn't work? Cannot reference an identifier before its definition. What do you mean? Okay, so I can just do that thing. Oh wait, I need. Hold on. If I bring this back, what was it again? Angry for? Yeah, it was angry for this. Anyway, I need to include helix key binding map set, which is in not in Cook's key maps, in helix configuration, I guess. Oh wait, no, helix key maps. No, here. Oh wait, key binding map set. Yeah, I need this. Set strong box. What's set strong box? I'm using this quite a bit here. Okay, I guess I just need. So this is a map. No, I need to just import this. Import helix key maps. Game of life now. Space. Okay, let's do A, for example. Okay, it doesn't quite work though. By the way, what if I here where it said buffer name, buffer title, what if I do this? Yeah, makes sense. Bind to CX. Okay, normal hash CX. Control X. I can still append, that's weird. Set strong box, buffer, or extension key binds. Okay, I don't know why. Says can create prompts. Windows Boot Manager is not gonna recognize grab config files. It's just gonna, it's probably not gonna override grab. And if it will, it is not that hard to fix. What it is gonna override, well actually, yeah, what it is gonna override is probably like bias boot priorities, I don't know, I'm not sure. I actually have 2 grab installations on this laptop. Don't ask me why. But yeah, it's time for me to end. I'll try to figure it out and post it on GitHub. On GitHub, yeah, I'll send link in Discord probably, hopefully. Discord. Yeah, you can join if you want. Is he still streaming? Probably, yeah. Good night, thanks. You too. Okay, come on. Read. 7 viewers? Why? How? Okay, I mean, I'm not against that. I'm all for. Kavina's still alive. Ooh, Halloween contest, yeah. Don't forget, I might also do it. Kavino. Hi.
Will be another $120.
By the way, this ended.
So, Infinite Coder, how you doing? Welcome.
Yeah.
Apparently, you can only guess one
Goodbye,
word until
everyone.
padlock unlocks. Right.
Bye.
That's right.
Thank you for joining.
Once the padlock's there, you have to wait till it goes away, which is really annoying. Really
6
annoying.
viewers, that's a lot. Yeah.
Let's look
Bye.
at our assets.
Bye.
And then I think we have.
Right now.
We don't. We have a cloud PNG. I think I just forgot to delete that from the familiar. Yeah, I did. Delete. Infinite Coder. Welcome. Thank you for the raid. Welcome everyone. Folks, are you into? Oh, thank you. There we go. Appreciate that. The beauty. I keep forgetting that we got mods now. And it's great. It's great having that, not having to type it out. Ooh, ooh. Are you guys into compiler dev? Are you into watching someone who's much brighter than myself? Well, hey, do I got someone for you? Infinite Coder with the new camera. And guess what? Infinite Coder, I just heard from Infinite Coder himself that his new push-ups redeem. He's figured out a way to do push-ups on camera now. So if you ever want to make someone else do push-ups, bada bing, bada boom. S90 Pepper, thank you for the follow. Welcome to our team. Read the title. The title. Compiler Dev Giga Chad. Woo. Don't forget about the guy who cheats his push-ups. Read the title. Which title am I reading? Title of like your latest stream? Whatever we just did. Run! Oh, I'm nuts. Game of Life in Helix. Learning Scheme. Quote of the day. Plusha. What is Helix? Game of Life in Helix. Oh, title of the redeem. Oh, I have not checked that out. Let me do that. Let me get the run out real quick. What is this redeem? Well, what is the redeem? Go to chat. Push-ups. Still no camera. I will do 50 push-ups without a camera. Unshout out. Unshout out. Helix wannabe. Koovy Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome to our team here. I've seen you around before, actually. And I've heard of you. I don't know where. Or when. I'm pretty sure. But thank you for the follow. Welcome. Ooh. Are you a Beatles fan? Oh, you want to talk to me. It's a plugin system in the works and uses a language like Scheme. Huh. Okay, for you, I'll try to set it up within a week. Let's go, Infinite Coder. Let's go. 9:44 p.m., gotta go to bed. Yeah, sounds good, Infinite Coder. Appreciate the raid. Appreciate you being here. Sleep well. Get that rest. All right. What did I say we were doing? Oh, yes, that's right. So we're going to try to put in, I think... Kavino's so young, he doesn't know I knew that? How I knew that? The Beatles? S90 Pepper. That's a Beatles reference. Duh. Of course. Listen, I'm cool. I'm hip. Sergeant Pepper. Sergeant Pepper. SGT, S90, SG. I get it. I get it now. Not S90. 90. Alright, so. What are we doing here? We are crushing the bugs. Absolutely crushing them. Decimating them, if you will. But we've kind of hit a little roadblock. And that roadblock is we are like inching ever so closer. Have you watched yesterday? I have not. Smart streamer. Oh, am I? We are inching ever so closer to the polishing phase. And during that polishing phase, that's where we start implementing all the art assets and making the game look good, and then followed by some other tweaks here and there based on the art and the way things are looking. The only other thing I can actually think about, or I can think of, when it comes to finishing the base mechanics, is with these portals here. I'm also trying to log into Nuclino. With these portals here, there we go. Let's check this. Images, scalable, achievement system. We need to hook that up. We need to hook up the upgrades. That's kind of based on our other stuff. This has been done. Just get it out of here. Familiar attacks. We didn't do a directional cleave, but that's because it's somewhere else. So that's fine. Baby kid sounds good. Tays, New Zealand. Ties, New Zealand. Thai. How you doing? Oi, as they say. That's right. I'm multicultured. I'm cool. You got it. You're good yourself. We're doing good. We're crushing bugs. We're so close to the actual, like, the polishing phase of the game where we're gonna make it look good. It's just I'm trying to find what other like little things we need to fix up before we get there. Because really, I mean, yeah, we have particle or wait. Attach realm shift to portal, unlock. Oh, we already did that. For the most part. I can't wait for that, but we gotta do bug control first, right? Yeah. We just fixed all the health bars. but it's really the only... I can't really think of like too much more we need to do. We do need to clean up the camera movement. And we need to implement the joystick again. So maybe that's what we do. Let's implement the joystick. Get the joystick functionality working. And then also get the camera lerp working. I think that might be the play. Yeah. We basically got to make the game functional. Actually, wait. Before we get the camera function working, let's go to our player manager here. And I want to go to our level scale. Set it to 0. Oh, don't do that. Set it to our level to 0. And if we do all health to 0, because it should just go off our level scale, right? Let's see. Yeah, I think it does. And just to double check, we're just going to get bashed in the face real quick. Ah, no, we are already dead. Okay. That's problematic. Player manager, health. Our level scale. So it should go... Well, let's do the max value at like 2,000. Level 0, which means we have 25 health. Value 25. Save. Upgrade cost. Okay. And then in the player, what I want to do is I want to go to the physics process, and we want to print stats.health.value. Yeah. Portal realm. So now, 25. 2,000. Interesting. I see what happened. Stats, health, 25. Because it should be changing our max health value. Now when we hit play, 25. Okay. We have 25 health. So now when they smack us, should be smacked for quite a bit. Yeah. 2, 3. Yeah, they're doing like 1 damage each. Okay, good. Good. And so close to yeehaw, my old channel points rip. Hey, don't worry, Ty. We got the old channel points. We're working on a system. It's currently being worked on by another member of the team here. And he's basically he has to come up with a whole system, basically. Gave him the ideas, and now it's just up to him to implement it. But it is going to take a while. It's rough. I couldn't imagine trying to do it. But he's doing it. And hopefully we'll get an update soon. Hopefully, but I know he's been super, super busy. Like with other work stuff and whatnot. That's my favorite type of creating. I can't make ideas unless someone has one. Really? Listen, Ty, that's all I got. All I got are ideas. Left and right. Like, you ever need an idea? I mean, just let me know. I can come up with one like on the spot pretty quick. Not saying it's gonna be a good idea, but the quality, eventually there'll be more quality ones out there, you know? Gonna be my idea, GPT? Yeah, I got you. No sweat. Give me a, all you gotta do is just give me like a theme or like something that you need to do. And then boom, bang, I got you. Health. We upgraded it. Is that 25 apparently? That doesn't make sense. Let's go like that. Health. Ah, it's breaking. I see. Alter upgrade control. Get signal inventory change. It's already connected to control. Alter update control. So player manager, inventory change, connect, update buttons. Alter update control. Signal inventory change is already connected to given callable. Where is it already connected? Player manager dot inventory changed. Inventory changed? No. Given callable, upgrade control. Alter upgrade control. Alter upgrade control. Already connected in that object. How is it already connected? Update buttons. Yeah, there's no other place it's connected, so how is it already connected? So, alright, that changes a bunch of things. Our new issue, our new bug to squash is the fun and exciting world of UI. Ooh, baby. I just love UI. So we need to go to the, not the achievement pop-up, the resource H box, upgrade button. No. Actually, let's go to the button for a sec. I prefer UI over collisions. Really? I think it's the opposite for me. I think it's the opposite. The UI stuff, I'm just not, I don't know what it is. Something about it just, it does not go well with me. It's not sit well. It's just a pain in the butt. I really want the UI just to be like a drag and drop system. You'd hate creating UI in GameMaker.